Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera blinking problem. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone camera is blinking, simply close the app and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues. Simply restart your iPhone, tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find general and tap on little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is hard reboot your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as update often include bug fixes and improvements. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and completely reset your iPhone settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is clean the camera lens. Dirt, dust or dust fingerprint might cause camera issues. Gently clean the lens with a soft cloth. Clean camera lens and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is remove case or camera lens. If you are using, simply remove the case and camera lens and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is make sure your iPhone camera has been dropped or not or damaged. The camera might be physically damaged. Contact Apple support and visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer. Fix camera problem. If all solutions are not working, now backup and restore your iPhone with, if you are using laptop, simply try a DFU restore. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes and perform a DFU device firmware update and restore. That's it. If all solutions are not working, simply change the camera. This problem is in iPhone camera. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue on iOS 17.5. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.